Alright guys, we're going to be picking a Toyota lock here. Let's see if I can get it in frame for you. Oh, it's a door lock. You got Green Man. I'm going to try and show you how to use the Toy43at Lishi. So I'm going to be pushing with an upward tension. Boop. I like to clear all my guys out at the very beginning. And what you're looking for is a little bounce. So we're going to check them. 3. A little bounce, not ready. 7, oh, 7's gonna pick. Let me get that one out of your way so you can see it. And you're gonna try and catch it. Boom, and then you're gonna make sure it bounces. Bam, that bounce means it's still good. 9, there's a little bounce on 9. Now we'll do the bottom. 4, bouncy. Oh, 6 is ready. Boom, is it still bouncy? Yep. 8, oh, 8 got picked. 10, 10 is bouncy. 7, 5, 3, oh, 3 looks like it's ready. Bouncy. 5 is good. 7's still good. I don't know if that's picked or not. Let's check the bottoms. 10. Oh, 8. 8 is now bouncy. 6 is bouncy. 4 is picked. And a lot of times, guys, you have to go through it multiple times because you're gonna get false sets. And not only that, you're gonna have to, you're over picking sometimes, so you're gonna have to get them to reset, and sometimes you'll reset some of the pins you've already picked. So I think 3 is where it's at right now. There it goes. Boom.